Let's get straight to it. Did you know you can actually lose weight without giving up desserts? It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. By making a few smart swaps and adding specific ingredients, your favorite sweet treats can help you shed those extra pounds faster than you think. These hacks aren't just another diet trend. They're proven strategies that many people are already using to satisfy their cravings while boosting their weight loss. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your desserts into fat-burning allies. We'll cover simple, practical changes you can make to your desserts right now that will help you drop the weight without feeling deprived. Stay with me, because what you're about to discover can completely change the way you think about desserts and dieting. The first and easiest trick to make your desserts help you lose weight is by cutting out refined sugar. Sugar is not only high in calories, but it also triggers insulin spikes that lead to fat storage, especially in areas like your belly. But here's the good news. You don't have to give up the sweetness in your desserts. By using sugar substitutes like stevia, monk fruit, or xylitol, you can keep your desserts sweet without the added calories or the harmful effects of regular sugar. These alternatives are natural, low-calorie, and won't cause your blood sugar to shoot up like refined sugar does. Let's break down how this works with a common dessert, brownies. Normally packed with sugar, you can swap it out for stevia or monk fruit, drastically cutting down the calories and carbs while still keeping the rich, chocolatey flavor that everyone loves. Another fantastic option is to use natural sweeteners like dates or applesauce. These not only add sweetness but also bring along beneficial nutrients like fiber, which helps keep you feeling fuller for longer and improves digestion.
For more information on diets and how they can help you lose weight, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to learn about the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to achieve the body you've always desired.
The fiber found in natural sweeteners like dates has an additional benefit. It slows down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream, which means fewer sugar crashes and more consistent energy levels throughout the day. Plus, this fiber supports your digestive system, helping to keep things moving smoothly. This means you're not just reducing the immediate impact of sugar, but also making your body more efficient at processing the food you eat. The real beauty of switching to sugar substitutes or natural alternatives is that it stabilizes your blood sugar levels, which in turn curbs those mid-afternoon sugar cravings. By avoiding those highs and lows in blood sugar, you'll find it much easier to stick to your weight loss goals because you're not constantly fighting the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. And remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about making smarter choices so you can enjoy the foods you love, like desserts, while still losing weight. Finally, one more point worth mentioning. Refined sugar is addictive. The more you consume, the more your body craves it. But once you start using sugar substitutes, your taste buds will adjust, and soon enough, you won't even miss the real thing. You'll still get to indulge your sweet tooth, but in a way that supports your health and weight loss. This is one of the simplest yet most effective changes you can make to your diet, and it can have a lasting impact on your ability to shed pounds without feeling deprived. When it comes to weight loss, protein is one of your best allies. Including more protein in your diet helps you feel full longer, supports muscle growth, and boosts your metabolism. But did you know you can add protein to your desserts and turn them into fat-burning treats? By incorporating ingredients like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or protein powder, you can transform any sweet indulgence into a powerhouse for your weight loss goals. Take, for example, a simple chocolate mousse. By adding a scoop of whey protein powder or using Greek yogurt as the base, you not only make the dessert creamier, but you also pack it with muscle-building protein. This helps keep your metabolism active even after you've eaten, meaning you're burning more calories just by digesting. Another benefit of protein-packed desserts is the extended feeling of fullness. This reduces your chances of overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks later in the day. Protein also plays a critical role in muscle recovery, which is especially important if you're working out as part of your weight loss routine. Including protein-rich desserts like a protein smoothie bowl or a protein-packed cheesecake can help your muscles recover faster, allowing you to stay active and burn more fat. These desserts can easily be made at home, and they still taste delicious, despite being low in sugar and high in protein. Another great example is adding protein powder to your pancake mix for a sweet filling breakfast that feels like a treat but works for your weight loss plan. You can also mix protein powder into baked goods like cookies or muffins, giving you a satisfying snack that helps you hit your daily protein targets. This simple trick of boosting your desserts with protein keeps your metabolism running high and helps preserve muscle mass, which is key for long-term fat loss. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. Fiber is another key ingredient that can turn your desserts into weight loss powerhouses. Most people associate fiber with vegetables or whole grains, but you can easily add it to your sweet treats too. Fiber helps slow digestion, keeping you full for longer periods and preventing overeating. Plus, it aids in regulating blood sugar levels, which is crucial for avoiding the spikes and crashes that lead to cravings. One simple way to incorporate fiber into your desserts is by adding chia seeds or flax seeds. These seeds are packed with fiber and blend seamlessly into recipes like puddings, smoothies, or even baked goods. For example, a chia seed pudding is not only creamy and delicious, but it's also rich in both fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, helping you feel satisfied while supporting heart health and digestion. Another great option is mixing ground flax seeds into muffin or pancake batter. It doesn't affect the taste much, but it significantly boosts the fiber content. Another source of hidden fiber comes from ingredients like oats or almond flour, which can replace traditional refined flour in many dessert recipes. Oats, in particular, are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, which not only supports weight loss, but also helps lower cholesterol levels. You can use oats in no-bake energy bars, cookies, or even as a base for a healthy apple crumble. The result? A sweet treat that satisfies your cravings while keeping you on track with your weight loss goals. Adding fiber to your desserts not only makes them more filling, but it also promotes better digestive health. Fiber keeps things moving through your system, which is essential when you're trying to lose weight. By incorporating fiber-rich ingredients into your favorite desserts, you're creating sweets that satisfy both your taste buds and your nutritional needs, helping you maintain a healthy and balanced diet while still enjoying something sweet.
To learn more about diets, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to access the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to lose weight quickly.
Healthy fats are often misunderstood when it comes to weight loss. Many people think they need to avoid all fats, but the truth is that healthy fats can actually help you shed pounds by keeping you full, satisfied, and energized. Incorporating fats like those from avocados, nuts, and coconut oil into your desserts not only adds richness, but also supports your body's fat-burning process. One of the best examples of using healthy fats in desserts is avocado. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol levels and keep your heart healthy. You can easily make an avocado chocolate mousse, blending avocado with cocoa powder and a natural sweetener like stevia. The result is a creamy, decadent dessert that's packed with healthy fats to keep you satisfied without spiking your blood sugar. Another fantastic source of healthy fats is coconut oil. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily digested and converted into energy rather than being stored as fat. You can use coconut oil in recipes like energy balls, fat bombs, or even in baking to replace butter or other oils. These treats are rich and satisfying, giving you that indulgent feel while also providing the benefits of healthy fats that support weight loss. Nuts and seeds are another excellent way to add healthy fats to your desserts. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, for example, can be blended into dessert bars or sprinkled on top of yogurt parfaits. These fats not only help curb hunger, but also provide important nutrients like omega-3s, which support brain health and reduce inflammation. By using these ingredients, you can create desserts that are rich, flavorful, and help you stay full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating later in the day. Low-carb desserts are a powerful tool when it comes to weight loss because they help reduce your intake of sugar and refined carbs, both of which can contribute to weight gain. By focusing on desserts that are naturally low in carbohydrates, you can satisfy your sweet tooth without causing blood sugar spikes or storing excess fat. The great thing about low-carb desserts is that they still taste rich and indulgent, so you won't feel like you're missing out. A popular low-carb dessert option is cheesecake made with almond flour for the crust instead of traditional graham crackers. Almond flour is low in carbs and high in healthy fats, making it an excellent substitute. Combine that with a filling made from cream cheese, eggs, and a natural sweetener like erythritol, and you have a delicious dessert that's creamy, rich, and satisfying without the carbs. This type of dessert can easily fit into a low-carb or ketogenic diet while still delivering on flavor. Another low-carb favorite is chocolate chip cookies made with coconut flour or almond flour. By using sugar substitutes like monk fruit or stevia, you can recreate the classic dessert while cutting out the sugar and carbs. These cookies are perfect for curbing cravings while sticking to your low-carb eating plan. They also make great snacks, keeping you full and energized without the sugar crash that traditional cookies would cause. Finally, low-carb options like fat bombs, small, bite-sized treats made from ingredients like coconut oil, cocoa powder, and peanut butter are incredibly easy to make and can be stored for a quick dessert when you need something sweet. These fat bombs provide energy from healthy fats while keeping carbs to a minimum. Low-carb desserts like these allow you to enjoy your favorite treats while still sticking to your weight loss goals, making it easier to maintain a healthy lifestyle without feeling deprived. Now that you know these simple but powerful dessert hacks, you can start transforming your favorite sweet treats into tools for weight weight loss. Whether you're swapping out sugar, adding protein, or incorporating healthy fats and fiber, these tricks make it easy to satisfy your cravings without sacrificing your progress. The key is making smart choices that work with your body, not against it. So go ahead and give these hacks a try in your next dessert. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to enjoy what you love while staying on track with your weight loss goals. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks to help you live healthier. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who could use these hacks to shed pounds without giving up dessert.